Everyone, by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lomakang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language. Let's proceed to level 2 and number 11, operator precedence. And results equals 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, and asterisk 2, and hashtag multiplication is perform multiplication is perform is perform perform before addition. The line 3 result 5 plus 4 asterisk 2 hashtag multiplication is performed before addition. This line calculates the value of 5 plus 4 asterisk 2 due to the order of operations PEMDAS or BODMAS. Multiplication is performed before addition. Thus 4 asterisk 2 is calculated first, resulting in 8, and then 5 is added to 8, resulting in 13. And next is print result output. The result output is 13 is assigned to the variable result. And the next is to parenthesis change the order of operations. And next is operations, and the next is operations, and the next is print result open parenthesis result and close parenthesis hashtag output 18 hashtag output 18. The result 18 is assigned to the variable result. Line 6 print result equals output 18, and this is the output of our code.